The application form of JIPMER MBBS 2019 is available from March 6 in online mode. Candidates will have to fill the application form for admission to 200 MBBS seats offered by JIPMER at its two campuses, JIPMER Puducherry and JIPMER Karaikal. The last date to submit completed applications is April 12. In this video, Careers 360 takes you through the step-by-step process to fill JIPMER MBBS 2019 application form. Click on the official link. Now, click on application link for JIPMER MBBS 2019 application form. You will be directed to the instruction window. Now, fill the registration form in which you will have to mention your name, date of birth, and enter and confirm mobile number and email ID. Upon successful registration, user ID and password will be generated, which will be sent to your registered email ID. The link to candidate login page will also be sent. Use these login credentials to fill remainder of application form. Fill the JIPMER MBBS 2019 application form. In the application form that opens, enter personal details like name of candidate, date of birth, gender, category, nationality, etc. Next, qualification details have to be filled. Enter status of class 12 exam, subject studied, name of the school, etc. In other details section, fill in your parents or guardians' educational background, their occupation and annual income. In personal address details section, fill in information like address line 1, 2 and 3, state PIN code, email ID, mobile number, etc. Next, select an ID proof and enter ID number. You also have to select 3 exam centers in the order of preference at time of filling application form. Upload the documents. Here you have to upload scanned copies of photograph and signature in the prescribed format. Documents images can be uploaded simply by drag and drop method or by browsing. The penultimate step in filling JIPMER application is payment of application fee, which can vary depending on category of candidate and can be used using net banking, credit or debit cards. Take printout of JIPMER application form 2019. Once fee has been paid, the application process is over and you need to take a printout of completed application form.